What's up, my beautiful Patriots? Welcome back to the Patriot Arms channel. So today we're back out with the Taurus TX22. Originally, I was not planning on making another video on this until I get my Hushaboom technology from Black Rain Ordnance, but it's taken a lot longer than I expected. I'm starting to wonder what's going on. I need to contact them and see if they know what's going on or what's holding it back, because I ordered it back in February. But anyway, I got some new ammo. Well, this is old ammo that I found. It's the Remington Thunderbolt. It was a partial box. I got one fully loaded mag, and then I think there's 7 in the other one. And then I also got a box of Browning. So we're gonna try those and see how it likes that stuff. Pretty good. All right, we're gonna load them up with the Browning now, and this was just that was just the lead ball ammo. I don't know if I mentioned that. The Browning, if I can get the box open. Trying to remember what it is. Oh, it is the hollow point. I don't know if you can see that. It's a hollow point. So should be fine. It seemed to like the arms core, and not sure what else I all ran through it, but we'll find out, I guess. All right, we got both magazines loaded up. Failure to feet. Thing nosedived on me. There we go. See if that works. Nope. There we go. I think there's... well, we will not shoot that one. I think that was a magazine related issue. Well, it seems to be feeding the Browning just fine. We'll put 2 more magazines through it. And I always keep forgetting to mention this. If you like this kind of content, if you like honest content, gun content, I try to do like entertaining shorts videos and stuff like that. If you're into that kind of stuff, please consider, if you like what I'm doing anyway. I do honest gun reviews, and my shorts are more geared towards entertaining stuff, and the long forms are just honest content. I'm not really I don't consider myself an entertainer. And I also do live streams, and so every Sunday night. So if you're watching this, if you're free Sunday nights, be sure to check it out. Stop by, say hi, and like I was saying, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, leave a comment, and a subscribe would be really appreciated. It really helps push the videos out to more people that typically wouldn't see my content. So And also about 95%, 90 to 95% of my viewers are not subscribed, so trying to get that number more evened out. Must be a bad round. Put it in again, see if we can strike it on a different area, and sometimes that works. Nope, not this time. Did I mention that this thing's fun just to plank around with? If I don't get sloppy on the trigger. Okay, we're gonna try this route that got a little bit jammed up. It didn't want to properly seat. Oh, there we go. We're gonna go lefty. Well, what the heck? I'm literally about 15 yards away. It can't be. I wonder if it's just because the barrel's getting hot. And it is getting hot. Well, I think we're going to call it a day. On this one, at least. It's getting pretty hot, and the accuracy is opening up into a very big grouping. So I'm gonna leave it for now, and maybe once I get my Hushaboom technology, I'll bring it out and try it out again, do a video on that and the suppressor. And so I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Turn on the if you are subscribed, turn on the notification bell. I do long form videos twice a week, shorts every day, sometimes 2 a day. So if you're not seeing that, it means YouTube's suppressing the content. And just be sure to check your subscriber feed every once in a while, and make sure that you watch your people that support the people that you are subscribed to. With that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.